Looking to make your cleaning tasks faster and more efficient? Today, we're breaking down the best electric pressure washers of 2025. From powerful motors to user-friendly designs, these washers are built to handle everything from cars to patios with ease. Let's dive in and find your perfect cleaning companion. Active 2.0. Introducing the Active 2.0 Electric Pressure Washer, a compact yet powerful solution for all your cleaning needs. Delivering a robust 2.0 gallons per minute (GPM) flow rate and a peak pressure of 1,800 pounds per square inch, this machine effortlessly tackles tasks from washing vehicles to cleaning driveways. At its core lies a patented 5-piston Pro pump, engineered with high-quality components from Japan and South Korea, ensuring exceptional durability and performance. This innovation provides twice the lifespan of conventional electric pressure washers, making it a reliable choice for both homeowners and professionals. The Active 2.0's wall-mount design offers space-saving convenience, keeping your workspace organized and the unit readily accessible. Its electric-powered motor operates efficiently and eco-consciously, delivering powerful cleaning while conserving water. Users appreciate its consistent performance and durable build. However, some have noted that it can be a bit noisy during operation, so using ear protection during extended use is recommended. AgiiMan. Next up, we have the AgiiMan Electric Pressure Washer, a powerhouse built to handle even the toughest cleaning jobs with ease. With a staggering 4,800 psi max pressure and 3.2 gallons per minute flow rate, this machine delivers professional-grade results for your car, garden, patios, and more. One standout feature is its 35-foot power cord and 20-foot high-pressure hose, giving you an extended reach for larger areas without the hassle of moving the machine constantly. Whether you're cleaning your driveway, tackling stubborn grime on siding, or refreshing your outdoor furniture, the AgiiMan has you covered. The built-in soap tank is another big win, allowing you to apply detergent with ease for deeper cleaning. Switching between tasks? No problem. The adjustable nozzles let you customize the spray pattern to suit any surface, from delicate windows to tough concrete. The design is all about convenience. The lightweight frame makes it easy to maneuver, while the onboard storage keeps all accessories neatly organized. Its electric-powered motor is energy-efficient and quieter compared to gas-powered models, making it perfect for residential areas. Users rave about the powerful cleaning performance, noting that it removes dirt and stains effortlessly. The versatility of the adjustable nozzles and soap tank has also been a game-changer for many. If you're ready to make cleaning faster, easier, and more effective, the AgiiMan Electric Pressure Washer is an excellent choice. Click the link below to check it out and take your cleaning game to the next level. AviGo P45. Let's dive into the AviGo P45 Pressure Washer XL, a feature-packed cleaning solution designed to make your car, patio, and driveway sparkle with ease. With a max pressure of 1,800 psi and a powerful 2.0 GPM flow rate, this washer is a perfect blend of power and precision, capable of handling light to heavy-duty tasks effortlessly. What sets the AviGo P45 apart is its comprehensive accessory bundle. It includes a 40-foot pressure hose for extended reach, a zoom lance for precision cleaning in hard-to-reach spots, and a premium foam cannon that produces a thick, even layer of foam for deep cleaning. Plus, the microfiber mop makes it a versatile tool for delicate surfaces like your car or windows. The washer also comes with 4 nozzle tips, allowing you to customize your spray pattern based on your cleaning needs, whether it's a gentle rinse for your car or a concentrated stream for tough grime on concrete. Powered by an 1,800-watt motor, the AviGo P45 ensures consistent performance while remaining energy efficient. Its compact design and integrated hose reel make it easy to store and transport, whether you're using it in the garage or taking it to another location. Users love the attention to detail in this pressure washer's design, praising its ease of use, versatility, and professional-grade results. The foam cannon in particular has been a hit for car enthusiasts who want a showroom-level clean. Kärcher K1700 Cube. Next in line is the Kärcher K1700 Cube Electric Pressure Washer, a compact yet highly efficient cleaning solution designed to tackle everything from cars to patios with ease. With a max pressure of 2,125 psi and a 1.46 GPM flow rate, this pressure washer is built to deliver powerful performance in a sleek, space-saving design. The standout feature? The start-stop foot switch, a game-changer for convenience. This innovative design lets you operate the washer hands-free, saving you time and making it incredibly user-friendly, especially for extended cleaning sessions. Equipped with a 0.5-gallon detergent tank, the K1700 Cube makes applying soap quick and hassle-free for deeper, more thorough cleaning. Whether you're refreshing your car's finish or scrubbing grime off your siding, this washer ensures the job is done right. Its lightweight, cube-shaped design isn't just stylish, it's practical too. The compact frame and storage-friendly build make it easy to transport and store. Despite its size, the Kärcher K1700 doesn't skimp on accessories, coming with multiple nozzles for customizable cleaning power based on the task at hand. Joe SPX3001. Introducing the Joe SPX3001 Electric Pressure Washer, a versatile and powerful cleaning tool designed to tackle a variety of household tasks with ease. Equipped with a robust 14.5 amp motor, it delivers up to 2,030 pounds per square inch of water pressure and a flow rate of 1.76 gallons per minute, making it ideal for removing stubborn dirt, grease, and grime from surfaces like driveways, patios, and vehicles. One of the standout features of the SPX3001 is its 20-foot high-pressure hose housed on a convenient built-in reel, allowing for easy storage and quick setup. The 34-inch extension spray wand and 35-foot power cord provide extended reach, enabling you to clean hard-to-access areas without hassle. The washer comes with 5 quick connect spray tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap, allowing you to adjust the spray intensity to suit different cleaning tasks. The 40.6 fluid-ounce onboard detergent tank facilitates the application of soap, enhancing the cleaning power for tougher jobs. For added safety and energy efficiency, the SPX3001 features a total stop system, TSS, that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, prolonging the pump's lifespan and conserving energy. And that's a wrap on the best electric pressure washers of 2025. Whether you need compact convenience or professional-grade power, there's a washer here for everyone. Ready to upgrade your cleaning routine? Check out the links below to find your perfect match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech and product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!